Welcome to the Hancock Grammar School Virtual Open House. Despite being unable to offer a traditional open house this year, our staff members would still like to show you around the school. We hope you enjoy seeing all of our masked faces in classrooms.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Mooring. I teach kindergarten here at Hancock Grammar School. I'm really excited to have a new group of brand new Hornets, and this is our classroom.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith and I teach kindergarten, first and second grade 100% remote learners. And we are off to a great start this year. Kindergarten has been started in with the letter people and learning letters. And first and second graders, we're learning the new math curriculum, Eureka Great Minds.
Hello, I'm Mrs. LaRosie. I'm the teacher in the multi-age kindergarten first grade this year. I'm so happy to be the kindergarten first grade teacher. Welcome to our classroom. As you can see, we have some children's artwork already completed up there on our bulletin board. And we have some letter boxes to look at that have some beautiful nature scenes. And we have some acorn work that we've been doing here on our bulletin board. And we're studying trees and weather. So we have our big book of trees and weather, and we have our weather calendar.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Sprague and I teach first grade. Welcome to my classroom. The first graders and I have had a great time so far and we look forward to an amazing year. Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Picard. I teach second grade. Welcome to my classroom. Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Bryant and I teach third grade. This is my classroom. I know we're going to have a great year this year, even though it looks a little different. Hi, my name is Mrs. Hanf and I teach third grade. Welcome to my classroom.
Hi guys, welcome to fourth grade. This is our classroom and there are some changes this year, as you can see. So here, my desk is now a table and has some extra technology on it that we didn't have to use before. But this nice big screen right here lets me see all the kids when they're at home. And then I can use this here for documents and showing those to the kids when we are on our meets together. Looking around the room, you see both on the floor next to desks, but also in the cubbies themselves, that instead of kids storing all of their supplies in their desk, they have their own little container and it has everything that they need in it for our classroom day. And then at home, of course, they just use their computers and they try to do the same things that we would do here at school.
Hello, my name is Mike Nickerson and this is the 5th grade classroom. This year's going to be a little bit different, but I'm sure it's going to be a great year for everyone in the 5th grade.
Hi, I'm Mrs. MacDonald and I am the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade English Language Arts teacher. I'm also the 6th grade homeroom teacher. And as you can see, this is my classroom and you'll see lots and lots of books, which is because I have a huge passion for reading and hopefully I'll help give you that same passion.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Hofford. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade science, and I am the 7th grade homeroom teacher.
Hi, I'm
Mrs. Thomas. I am the middle level social studies teacher, and this is the homeroom for grade 8. So I start my day here and then travel around to all the other classrooms and end my day here.
Hi, I'm Miss Gray. I have 7th grade as part of my homeroom and I teach middle level math. Welcome to my classroom.
Hi guys, my name is Mrs. Larson. I am your physical education teacher. This is the place where you will have a good time exercising, learning skills. We will be outside enjoying the good air as much as we can.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Briggs, the music teacher here at HGS. Even though music's going to look a little bit different this year, we won't be out here in the music room. I'll be coming to your classroom with music on a cart. I'm still looking forward to a great year of music here at Hancock.
Hi, Ms. Snyder here. I teach art to Hancock Grammar School students. And here is my remote at-home art classroom where we learn, imagine, and create. I brought home a few things to remind me of my students. Of course, we cannot forget one of the most important pieces, and that is our computer connection as we meet on Google Meets. We're going to have a great year.